In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your invoice templates in Xero to ensure your clients can easily make payments. Whether you're new to Xero or just looking to update your invoice details, I'll guide you through the steps to seamlessly add your bank details to your invoices. Let's get started with navigating to the right area in your Xero account. Once you're logged in and have accessed your dashboard, locate the menu at the top of the screen. You'll see the option labeled Business. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Invoices. This is where you can manage all your invoicing needs and templates. Now that you've reached the Invoices section, the next thing we need to do is access your invoice settings. Look for the invoice template you want to edit. To do this, find the small three dots icon in the top right corner of that specific template. Clicking this icon will open up a more detailed menu, and you're going to select Invoice Settings. This will bring you to the settings page, where you have the ability to adjust how your invoices appear and what information they contain. Moving on, we'll now edit the template itself. Within the invoice settings, you'll see an Options button. Click on this and then choose Edit from the drop-down menu. This is your workspace for customizing the invoice to meet your specific needs. Editing your bank details is crucial so that clients know exactly how to pay you. Find the section titled Terms and Payment Advice. This is typically where payment details are outlined. You'll want to enter your bank name and bank account number here. It might also be useful to add any other necessary information, like your branch code, especially if you have international clients. Clear payment instructions can improve the payment experience for your clients and minimize any delays. Once all your bank details are entered, the last but equally important task is to save your changes. You'll notice a Save button typically located towards the bottom of the page. By clicking this, you apply the changes you've just made to the template. Going forward, each invoice you create will automatically include this updated information, ensuring every client receives the correct payment instructions. And that's it. You've successfully added your bank details to your invoice templates in Xero. Remember, keeping these templates updated not only helps avoid payment delays, but also maintains professional communication with your clients. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on optimizing your use of Xero and other business tools. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy invoicing.